I'm going to be honest. I feel like our medical system, doctors, patients, everyone part of it is lacking a little bit of this these days. With all the hustle bustle, we forget that there's one crucial component to healing.
The goal here is to learn how to treat your mind and body like a professional athlete. Welcome to Mind Your Body. I'm Dr. Audra Lance. I'm a doctor of chiropractic who specializes in treating sports and non-surgical injuries, anything that involves muscles and joints. I treat big-name celebrities and professional athletes. Most of my patients refer to me as the witch doctor because they can't explain any other way their pain was removed that quickly. I hate cooking, but I do love wine, and don't even think about giving me anything that involves ketchup because I will not eat it. Every episode of this show is designed to help you move better, live better, and feel better. Now let's go do this thing.
We all get it. We want an end result. We want to take a problem and fix it. I don't care what industry you're in, that we want a solution. And it's the same in the medical field. We want people to feel better and fix it and do it as quickly as possible and as painless as possible. But through doing this over and over and over again, you might get a little burnt, a little crispy. We've all felt fried to the edges of stress, pressure, just over and over and over again on every case. And sometimes it gets to be a lot. And I don't care if you're the doctor, if you're the patient, if you're the caregiver, if you're the support system. It happens to all of us. It's a lot to have a problem on the table. And in this case, we're talking about a big injury, even a nagging little injury that affects your life. Or this could be an illness, cancer, surgery, heart attack, brain bleed, anything. But it also could be as simple as plantar fasciitis. Have you ever had that? It's debilitating at points. And sometimes you go to people over and over again, no matter, go back to any of those scenarios, different doctors, different providers, trying to get an answer, trying to get a solution, and you get crispy because you don't know what that is, what you should do, and sometimes you just burn out and freeze. This is why I think and truly feel that we're lacking hope. HOPE, hope. Do you know how that important that is to healing? It's crucial. You have to yourself have hope that you're going to be able to fix whatever it is, that you're going to be able to heal whatever it is. Back to the plantar fasciitis, low back pain, cancer, headaches, TMJ. The list goes on and on. You have to start there. And as scary as that is, as terrifying as that is, you're probably in a lot of pain at the moment. But you need to look at yourself, get right with yourself, and have a little hope. On the flip side of that, us as doctors, nurses, providers, caretakers, all of that, also need to have hope. We need to go in there, and even if shit looks so nasty, we're not sure if we are actually going to be able to help you, we need to, one, be honest with you. That's key too, but we're talking about hope. Be honest. Two, have hope for you too. Set aside the science and the medical part. We need to have hope that we're going to be able to help you, and have hope that if we can't help you, we're going to help get you to the right person who can help you. So that's my cup of tea for you today. Have a little hope. If you're struggling with plantar fasciitis, foot pain at all, low back pain, sciatica, or anything like tight hamstrings, or even hand, wrist pain, carpal tunnel-ish symptoms, let me give you a little hope. Head on over to mytrainingroom.co and purchase the game plan. The prices are currently slashed because I want to help as many people as possible. We're going to go over simple exercises that will help get you started on your journey and possibly, maybe it'll even fix it. But I cut out all the BS and all the Googling, and so you don't waste your time so that you can get to the point. You got to have hope. Links will be in the show notes. I also want to hear, DM me what game plans you want more of. What are you struggling with? What game plan would you like to see up there? Let's go.
Now, if you want to do something really special for me and got a lot out of this episode, go leave a 5-star written review of the show on Apple Podcasts. And if you're a Spotify listener, just tap the 5 stars. To submit any of your health questions to the show, simply DM me on Instagram at Dr. Audra Lance. And don't worry, all your questions will be kept strictly anonymous. So send me all your embarrassing questions. And don't forget, breathe into your butthole. Toodaloo!